Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that's not just a buzzword, but a revolutionary force in tech: machine learning. Ever wondered how your smartphone seems to know exactly what you need? Or how services like Netflix recommend the perfect movie for your Friday night? Let's break it down. First off, what is machine learning? In simple terms, it's a branch of artificial intelligence that enables software applications to become more accurate at predicting outcomes without explicitly being programmed to do so. Imagine teaching your computer to predict tomorrow's weather by feeding it data from the past 100 years. This continuous input of data helps improve the predictions over time. Now let's talk examples. You know when you're scrolling through Facebook and see those eerily accurate ads? That's machine learning at work. It analyzes your past behavior to predict what ads you're most likely to click on. And it doesn't stop there. Ever used voice assistants like Alexa or Siri? When you ask Alexa to play your favorite tunes, she isn't just obeying commands at random. She remembers your preferences, learns from them, and next time she's even better at her job. This learning process is ongoing, constantly refining itself based on your interactions. But how does this magic happen? Well, at the heart of machine learning are algorithms, sets of rules or instructions that the computer follows to solve problems. These algorithms sift through massive amounts of data, learning patterns and making decisions based on statistical analysis. The more quality data these algorithms can access, the better they perform. So why should you care? Because machine learning is shaping the future. It's transforming industries from healthcare, where it helps diagnose diseases faster, to finance, where it predicts stock market trends. It's making our gadgets smarter and our lives easier. And guess what? You can be part of this thrilling frontier. With resources like AI and machine learning boot camps available, anyone keen on technology can get skilled up and jump into this field. So, next time your phone autocorrects your text or your GPS suggests the quickest route home, remember, there's a bit of learned intelligence behind that magic. Machine learning isn't just the future, it's here, enhancing our daily tech in ways we could have only imagined. That's it for today. If you're fascinated by how machine learning is transforming our world and want to stay ahead in this tech revolution, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. See you in the next video.